This is black color. This is lion animal.
Dance beneath the acacia tree. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Safari fun is super sweet.
Wow, amazing. This is zebra's animal.
Oh, the savannah is bright and the morning is new. I love to sing and play with you.
Wow, amazing. This is blue color. This is crocodile animal.
Snap, snap, sing with me. Floating down the river free. Clap your hands and move along. Crocodile friends sing this song.
Oh, amazing. This is hippopotamus animal.
Come and sing, my little friend. Happy songs will never end. Sing together, laugh and play. Learning something new each day.
Oh, amazing. This is orange color. This is deer animal.
Morning light is soft and bright. Everything is pure delight. Sing with me, let's play and run. Beautiful day for everyone.
Oh, amazing. This is wolf animal.
Howl, howl, sing today. Snowy friends come out and play. Jump and spin, then stomp your feet. Winter fun is super sweet.
Wow, amazing.